Ever wondered how your kitchen could feel like a chef's lab without taking up extra space? Today at Prep Home, we're bringing you some of the most innovative, time-saving, and smart kitchen gadgets that transform everyday cooking into a creative experience. From futuristic appliances to clever space savers, get ready to upgrade your kitchen game. Imagine baking cookies that don't just taste amazing, but also carry your personal touch logos, messages, or even photos. The Primera cookie printer is exactly that. Using FDA-approved edible ink, it prints directly onto cookies, macarons, or fondant with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Perfect for birthday parties, weddings, or just surprising your family with a sweet twist. It's not just baking anymore, it's personalization at its finest. When wine nights feel like a struggle with stubborn corks, this gadget saves the day. The electric cork opener set pops bottles open at the push of a button. Sleek, rechargeable, and powerful enough to uncork up to 30 bottles on a single charge. It comes with a foil cutter and charging base for a complete setup. Whether it's a celebration or a quiet evening, this makes every pour effortless and classy. Clean kitchen, clean habits, and yes, that extends beyond food. The Toothbrush Sterilizer keeps oral hygiene fresh with UV C light technology that eliminates up to 99.99% of germs. Compact and wall-mountable, it recharges easily and can sterilize multiple brushes at once. A smart blend of health and convenience, ensuring even your daily routines match the modern standards of your kitchen space. This is more than a cutting board, it's a multitasking workstation. The all-in-one pad combines chopping, thawing, knife sharpening, and even food prep in one durable surface. Designed with a built-in sharpener and thawing plate, it keeps your workflow smooth and your knives razor-ready. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for small kitchens, campers, or anyone who loves keeping tools minimal but powerful. Cleaning dishes might be the least exciting kitchen chore, but the track sponge makes it smarter. With heavy-duty rib texture, it scrubs away grease and grime without scratching surfaces. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the tough material ensures it lasts longer than regular sponges. Perfect for pots, pans, and even glass one sponge that actually pulls its weight. Why wait in line for a breakfast sandwich when you can make two at home in just minutes? The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker layers bread, eggs, cheese, and your favorite fillings into perfectly cooked cafe-style sandwiches. Non-stick plates make cleanup easy, and the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Fast, fun, and perfect for busy mornings or lazy brunches. Tired of chasing runaway cherry tomatoes or grapes with a knife? The tomato and grape slicer cuts them neatly in half with a single slide. Safe, efficient, and designed to handle even slippery produce, it saves time in salads, pastas, or kids' snacks. Small enough to store anywhere, yet smart enough to feel like a pro-level tool. Cooking rice and grains just got foolproof. The KitchenAid grain and rice cooker comes with a built-in smart scale and water tank that automatically measures the right ratios for you. No more guessing, it senses and adjusts cooking times for perfect rice, quinoa, or lentils every time. With sleek matte design and easy controls, it's not just a cooker, it's a kitchen assistant that guarantees consistency. Craving ice cream but want a healthier option? The Yonanas Classic Frozen Treat Maker turns bananas, berries, or any frozen fruit into smooth, creamy, soft serve in seconds. No dairy, no added sugar, just pure fruit magic. Easy to clean, BPA free, and even comes with recipe ideas, making it a fun way to enjoy guilt-free desserts at home. Prep work can feel endless, but the 4-in-1 electric vegetable cutter cuts, chops, slices, and even minces with ease. Rechargeable and wireless, it's perfect for quick garlic, onion, or pepper prep without dragging out a bulky processor. Compact yet powerful, it's the ultimate helper for fast meals, saving both time and counter space. For those who love the control of real flames, the 2-burner natural gas cooktop delivers pro-level performance in a compact design. Made with tempered glass and anti-tamper protection, it's safe, durable, and stylish. Whether you're simmering soups or searing steaks, this cooktop offers even heat distribution and instant responsiveness. Ideal for apartments or smaller kitchens, it's proof that powerful cooking doesn't need a huge range. Almond, oat, cashew, coconut, whatever your favorite, the ChefWave Milkmade makes fresh, dairy-free milk at the push of a button. No soaking required. With 6 preset modes and automatic self-cleaning, it's both convenient and eco-friendly. Comes with a glass pitcher, delay start, and precise heating so your milk is smooth and flavorful every time. Healthy living, simplified. Take burger night to the next level with the Burger Master Press. This clever mold lets you shape and store up to 8 patties at once, keeping them evenly sized and freezer ready. The flexible design makes it easy to pop them out, and the airtight seal prevents freezer burn. From backyard barbecues to meal prep, this press guarantees perfectly uniform burgers every time. When you don't need a full-size processor, the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus is the perfect compact alternative. It chops, grinds, and blends small batches of veggies, nuts, or herbs in seconds. With easy one-touch operation and dishwasher-safe parts, it's designed for quick, everyday prep. Sleek, space-saving, and powerful enough to handle tough jobs despite its size. Say goodbye to wasteful paper liners. The OXO Good Grip silicone baking cups are reusable, non-stick, and dishwasher-safe. Designed to stand tall inside muffin pans or even on baking sheets, they release baked goods effortlessly without greasing. Flexible yet sturdy, they're perfect for muffins, cupcakes, or even frozen treats, and they save you money in the long run. No more digging for missing spoons. This magnetic measuring spoon's set sticks neatly together, saving drawer space and keeping your kitchen organized. Each spoon fits into spice jars with ease and comes with a leveler for exact measurements. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, they're durable, precise, and a baker's dream tool. Every kitchen needs a reliable pair of scissors, and the all-purpose heavy-duty kitchen shears are built for more than just cutting herbs. From trimming poultry to slicing pizza or even cracking nuts, these stainless steel scissors are versatile and dishwasher safe. With a protective sheath for safety and ergonomic handles for comfort, they're a must-have tool that replaces half a drawer of gadgets. Prep vegetables the smart way with the Full-Star Pro Chopper. It chops, slices, dices, and spiralizes all in one sturdy container. The interchangeable blades let you switch from finely diced onions to spiral zucchini noodles in seconds. BPA, free, compact, and dishwasher safe, it makes meal prep cleaner and faster while keeping your counters clutter-free. Turn your sink into a mini bar station with the Delta Matte Black Glass Rinser. Just press a cup or bottle down, and powerful jets rinse away residue instantly. Perfect for baby bottles, wine glasses, or travel tumblers. It saves time and water. Its sleek matte black finish blends into any modern kitchen, adding both style and convenience. And there you have it, some of the most innovative kitchen gadgets and smart tools designed to make cooking easier, cleaner, and a lot more fun. Which of these would you add to your kitchen first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Prep Home, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big kitchen upgrade.